Yo man, what's going? We got ourselves a brand new brick and stick. Today we'll take a first look at the new Rainforest Rapids from Dr. Squatch. Now if you haven't heard, we recently lost an OG. The Eucalyptus Greek Yogurt was always a troubled brick, but fought against generic soap fearlessly. And it was this sheer determination against injustice that would see him fall in the line of duty. Hopefully the Eucalyptus boy can find the peace he deserves and the great shower beyond. Please leave an F in the comment section to pay your respects. Just like we saw with the previously fallen Cedar Citrus, it seems Squatch made this move to make room for a new replacement OG. And this makes a lot of sense. I don't know what bricks sell the best or worst, but the Eucalyptus Greek Yogurt was kinda a mid-bar, and at least in recent times, had a weak scent and felt pretty basic. So I'm not surprised to see the brand new Rainforest Rapids take its place. So let's take a first look at the new brick. This is of course a new OG. It is a light grit with a scent described by Squatch as a crisp jungle rainfall, with notes of eucalyptus, sage, and cedarwood. This lush, breezy scent will awaken your sense of adventure. As for the unique ingredients, we have a good bit here. Sunflower seed oil, licorice leaf extract, lemon fruit extract, eucalyptus leaf extract, and of course, pumice for the light grit. Now this brick also has a stick counterpart, a brand new deodorant. There's not much to say here, it's another Squatch deo, this time with a new scent. Overall this sounds like a pretty nifty flavor. If it's going for a more natural jungle scent, I think this one could go over pretty well, as we could use another outdoorsy type of flavor. Although it has eucalyptus, I wouldn't be expecting this bar to be that similar to its predecessor. Personally, I'm kind of getting Raptor Rush vibes from this brick. But what do you guys think? Are you getting the new Rainforest Rapids brick and stick? What do you think it will be like? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty. Yeah, man!